Team 4 now, a live look from our storm chaser currently near Germantown. Rain on the lens of our camera right now. Brian, it's good that it's not ice already.
They wouldn't be going that fast, I can tell you that. So that's a good sign. So far, the road's mainly just wet. Told you at the beginning of the newscast, the crews have been out putting a lot of chemicals down so the roads can try to be as warm and ice-free as possible. I think, going back to that story, I think a lot of folks might lose some of their landscaping this winter just because of the lack of snow protecting it, and we've had some of those cold nights. Not that cold tonight, and that's why we're going to see all of this. Rain, potentially thunder south of Milwaukee before it changes over to freezing rain and sleet. Best chance of snow central and northern Wisconsin. Everyone's going to see a little bit of freezing rain over the next 12 to 18 hours. It's just that there's a swath from about Port Washington to just north of Milwaukee to Whitewater that could see the most. Everyone's under the winter weather advisory to the north of Milwaukee, and about 11 o'clock tonight, everyone in southeastern Wisconsin will be in that advisory until 6 tomorrow. You're seeing a couple of different colors. You got green now around Whitewater, just plain old rain, a wintry mix of rain, potential for sleet, and maybe even a little bit of freezing rain to the north. From West Bend to Sheboygan to Fond du Lac, what you saw with the storm chaser, the roads are just wet. Here comes a car looking to be traveling pretty close to normal speeds, 32 degrees with the wet roads in Waukesha. So far, so good. It's almost 40 in Kenosha, 22 in Fond du Lac. They could be seeing a little bit of snow and sleet. You're saying, how is it still not just all snow at those temperatures? Because just above the surface, it is way above freezing, and that raindrop doesn't have enough time to refreeze. If it does, it becomes sleet. If it just hits the ground or your car as rain and it freezes, that's the freezing rain. So headlines, icy tonight and tomorrow, snowy on Thursday. Stop laughing. Every time we say that, I thought tonight and tomorrow was going to be snowy last Thursday, and we're just a couple of degrees too warm. It's either too far south or a few degrees too warm this winter. We just can't get snow. But this is going to be a chilly week. We've had some 50s the past 7 days. That's not going to be the case over the next 7 to 10. Best chance of precip is overnight, a little bit of a lull in the morning rush, and then it peaks back up. And I think this is why some schools are calling it off. They could probably get to school okay. It's what's going to happen between 8 and about 2 p.m. that could make the roads very slick, and then they got to get home. So just be careful out there throughout the day tomorrow. Temperatures right around that freezing mark, and then late in the day it starts to drop down below freezing. Could actually get a little bit of snow out of this, but overnight tonight, that wintry mix. Look what happens around midday tomorrow. Widespread sleet and freezing rain. This isn't an ice storm warning. You're not looking at stuff that's going to bring down big trees and widespread power lines, but it's enough that it could bring down some power lines and some small branches, so be cautious of that. A little bit of icing by morning. Could see up to a 1/4 of an inch of icing by afternoon, and snowfall about a 1/2 inch. That's it. Temperatures tonight are in the 20s to up to the lower 30s, and then tomorrow temperatures start to drop in the afternoon, and that's when you'll start to see that little bit of light snow. Then it's chilly, 23 on Wednesday. Snow likely on Thursday, maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow. 20s through the weekend, and it will also be windy as well. Mia's our weather kid tonight. She's bundled up, and be cautious out there, Mia, when you're walking tomorrow. You don't want to be doing some slipping and sliding.